Hello students, welcome to our geography class. From last video we starting the lesson number 12. This is our last lesson. Lesson number 12 name is tourism. We start in last video lesson number 12 tourism. What is mean by tourism? Tourism means visiting various places away from our homes for getting joy, happiness, entertainment, etc. is called tourism. In last video we completed some points. Now let us start. Our next point is geographical explanation. Tourism is an important tertiary occupation. Through this occupation, the world gets introduced to region's natural, social, cultural environment. Besides domestic tourists, foreign tourists also visit various places for interest, and therefore foreign currency increases in our economy. Here is main point is foreign currency increases in our economy along with the benefits, development of tourist places, availability of employment, opportunity to local people are also other good things that happen to a place. Here student, some other important point is benefits, development of tourist places, availability of employment, opportunities to local people are also other good things that happen to the place. Considering the importance of tourism, the local residents become aware of conserving the region's natural beauty and cultural. Tourism should be promoted through advertisement in various media which will help in its growth. Then can you tell which new forms of tourism have developed recently? Tell the reason why new forms of tourism emerge. Here students, some new forms of tourism have developed recently. Which are these? Ecotourism, agrotourism, film tourism and medical tourism. Various forms of tourism are emerging to give flip to tourism. Flip means growing up to tourism. One of these is the ecotourism. Ecotourism related to environment. This concept came into light when it was realized that due to increasing population, pollution and urbanization, environment is degrading. Degrading means decrease. It is an eco-friendly type of tourism. This type is like a eco-friendly type of tourism. If tourism is developed by considering that while touring a place, the environment should not be degraded. Degraded means destroying or damaged by tourists. Then it is called ecotourism. Yes, student, ecotourism complete. This include taking precaution of not throwing litter at tourist sites, avoiding noise pollution, not hurting trees and birds, animals in the forest. Here's your main point is in environment, not throwing litter, avoiding noise pollution, not hurting trees and birds and animals in the forest. Besides this, recently the concept of agrotourism has arisen, which is a pollution-free location away from the city, holding an agriculture activity where the tourist is shown the glimpses of agriculture life. Glimpses means showing. Tourists are attracted towards it. This is called agrotourism. Agrotourism related to agriculture. For a change from urban life, tourists live on the farm and concept the hospitality of farmers on payment in agrotourism. In Pune, Kolhapur district of Maharashtra, number of agrotourism centers have been developed. Then next, film tourism. Next tourism is film tourism. What is meant by film tourism? Film tourism is a new type of tourism. It is a new type. The location where films are shot attracted a crowd of tourists and hence its concept of film tourism. A number of amenities and facilities are provided to attract tourists to these places where film shooting takes place. Example Mumbai Film City, Ramoji City, etc. Takarli in Konkan is famous for its seabed and biodiversity found there. Here the tourist can do snorkeling and scuba. Diving. MTDC has started the scuba diving training center of international standard at Takarli, Taluka, Malvan district, Sindhudurg. Then our next point is importance of tourism development in India. What is the importance of tourism development in India? India is diverse. In terms of culture and nature, tourism has a lot of potential here. Lot of potential, many opportunities. The richness of natural beauty in India, attractive landscape, high mountains like the Himalaya, exquisite coastal areas attracts tourists. Also, the diversity of Indian culture, festival, tradition, custom, variety of dishes made using Indian spices, and hospitality of the Indians has resulted in opportunities of tourism in India. Then, tourist and economic development. Here also, tourist development helps Indian economy in a great way. Restaurant, shops, transportation system, recreational places, etc. develop because of tourism and directly contribute to the economy. Tourism and environmental development. Tourism is a good for environmental development to development natural location, sanctuaries, national parks, etc. Here student, factors like housing, resort, traffic routes, etc. also designed in an eco-friendly manner. In this type of development process, electricity, water are used very judiciously. The concept of recycle and reuse is also applied. Natural environment is maintained, the tourist is developed too. Then next point is tourism and health. What is the correlation between tourism and health? Some tourists visit India to avail health facilities, visiting the places of tourist interest and achieving mental peace and physical strength through Indian Ayurveda, yoga, pranayam, etc. is the objective behind it. The medical and surgical treatment in the Indian hospitals are cost effective, and therefore many patients from various developing countries come here to treatment. Medical tourism develop for facilities required by these tourists. Here is main tourism and health related to health. Tourism related to health is main important. Medical and surgical treatment in India hospital are cost effective, and therefore many patients from various developing countries come here for the treatment. Tourism and social development. Next point is tourism and social development. Some specific social programs can be accomplished through tourism. Its facets like rural lifestyles. Facets means growth. Lifestyle, tribal life and culture are the include in tourism. Tourism gets a social dimension, and neglected components of the society can be dimension means direction. Include the development, the tribal life of Meghat of Maharashtra and visit to model village like Anandvan. Project of the social activities Baba Amte. Ralegaon Siddhi, Ivre Bazaar, etc. creates social consciousness and gives the flip development there. There is a great potential for the development of such type of tourism in India. In future, tourism will be an important factor in Indian economy. Here is complete our lesson tourism. We saw various types of tourism. Just think, we go into the space for tourism? What will we have to do for that? Where can we go? Present your ideas in the form of picture or photographs.